Security. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create custom security groups in Active Directory. And as you can see here, we have built-in. Okay, we already in the Active Directory users and computers. If you don't know how to enter here, you can go to Tools. You will see Active Directory users and computers here. So from here now, I have built-in security groups. Once you install Active Directory, you automatically have these built-in security groups on your Active Directory domain controller. So for the sake of this video, we'll be creating a custom security groups. So we have our organizational units that we created earlier, test company. So I go to users. I'm going to be creating a security group, an accounting security groups for my accounting department. So I can right click on this pane and click on new, look at groups, or you can right click on these users here and click on new, look at groups. So that's it. So we'll be naming this security groups account for our accounting departments. So here we have group scopes, we have the domain local. If you want these security groups to be accessible to just your domain, that means only this domain local is fine. Domain local is fine, but if you want it to be accessible to multiple domains that has built-in trust, that has trust on them, this global is fine. Then if you have multiple forests that you want this security group to be accessible to, you can use universal. So in the group type, we have security and we have the distribution. Security groups are groups that you create that will allow you apply GPUs to those groups. But distribution groups are groups that if you want to use Exchange, if you are using Exchange for your mail and you want to create a distribution group to make it easier to send mails to a particular group of people, you can use distribution group, because once you send a mail to a distribution group, that mail automatically is sent to every user in that group. So, but for the purpose of this video, we are creating a security groups, which I already told you is for groups, creating groups that you want GPUs to be applied on. So let's click on OK. So here now you see we have created the account security groups. So what we can do now, we can add this Cybernet user to this particular account group security group that we created now. So let me right click on this account security groups, click on properties. Here now I go to members. We have members of. I can add this account group to be a member of another group. I can equally add a user to manage this account group. So in members, I will have to click on add. I will search the name of my user I want to add to this group. Check names. As you can see, it picked up my Cybernet security user. Click on OK. Click on apply and OK. So to confirm if I have added this user to this group, I can click on this user, go to members of here. As you can see, this user is now a member of the accounting group, account departments. So what happens now is every GPU that I apply to this account group will directly be applied to this Cybernet security user. So that is how you can create security groups, custom security groups, and equally add a user to the custom security group in Active Directory. And I hope this video is resourceful. So please like, subscribe, and share to your friends. Thank you guys for watching, and do have a lovely day.